If you're on a data team, you've probably wasted hours hunting down the final version of a SQL query. It's in a dashboard, or in someone's doc, or buried in local file from 6 months ago. Meanwhile, another request comes in, and you're rewriting a query you already built. OWOX Data Marts is your team's central library of queries, documented, versioned, and ready to reuse. Imagine finding any query in seconds, complete with business-friendly aliases, clear descriptions, and ownership. Need to reuse it? Connect it to a new report? Schedule updates? Forget. Add an existing SQL query to OWOX Data Marts, give it a name, save. Add aliases, add a description. Now, every future reporting request starts here, not from scratch. What would happen if your team never had to wonder where the latest query lives or rebuild the same thing twice? OWOX Data Marts keeps every query findable, reusable, and in your control. Start your query library today. Try OWOX Data Marts free.